Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Huawei P20. Recently I told you that Huawei is having its P11/P20 launch on March 27th, and today the company started handling out-of-shelf press event invites. The image has three circles clearly indicating that the new flagship will have triple camera setup on its back. If it's not clear enough, the invite also drops second hint saying guests will see more with AI. At the event happening in Paris, France, Huawei is expected to show a Lite, regular and plus version of the P11 or P20. Aside from the triple camera that might be arranged in a vertical setup, other services packs include Kirin 930 with more AI capabilities. According to rumors, Huawei is also jumping the notch on the front train with all three phones sporting a cutaway on the screen for the earpiece and selfie camera, including the mid-range Huawei P20 Lite. And today Huawei P20 Lite 3D videos and images revealed. And based on this schematics, the phone will have dimension of 148.6 by 71.2 and 7.4 mm, 8.4 mm at the camera bump. The display will be a 5.7 inch in diagonal with rounded corners and a notch. The renders of the Huawei P20 Lite also include dual camera setup that looks like the one in the iPhone 10 and a circular fingerprint scanner on the back. Rumors packs suggest a tall 19:9 screen ratio with a resolution of 2200 by 1800 pixels. The chipset might be a Kirin 970 or an updated version of the mid-range processor Kirin 659. OS is most likely to be Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, acting as a base for the EMUI 8.0. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and what you guys want to see more with AI capabilities. Let me know in the comments down, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.